We're here in Langley, BC. And right behind me is a stunning listing. 8 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 4,000 square foot of living space. And check this out, a $10,000 stove in the kitchen. You're gonna wanna check this out. Let's go. Most people think 1.7 million in Langley gets you a nice house. What they don't expect is this. Eight bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 4,100 square feet, and a basement suite that could literally pay your mortgage. Let's go. Okay, Cedar Ridge, if you don't know, now you know. And if you don't, this is one of those Langley pockets where houses are custom, lots are big, and properties like this, they do not come up often. We're talking cul-de-sac, golf course nearby, and a backyard that makes your neighbors jealous. This is a custom built 2-story with a basement sitting on nearly 7,000 square feet of land. Built in 1997, but do not let that fool you. This thing has been updated, like properly upgraded. I'm talking 48-inch Foger Milano stove, and if you don't know what that is, Google it. Oh wait, first thing you notice, hardwood floors, designer lighting, and the layout just opens the space up. This isn't just one of those homes where you walk in and immediately feel like the walls are closing in. You got the living room, the dining room, great flow. The kind of space where you can host about 20 plus people and it doesn't feel like a fire hazard. Okay, kitchen time. This is where it gets fun. We got built-in banquet seating. Love it, super intentional. Fisher & Paykel fridge, and then this 48-inch Foger Milano stove. This is a $10,000 stove, people. Whoever designed this kitchen was not playing around. If you can cook, you're gonna be dangerous in here. And if you don't cook, well, at least you look like you can, which honestly might be worth the price of admission alone. The main floor also has a laundry room and a bedroom. Yes, a bedroom on the main floor. Great for aging parents, guests, or maybe you just don't like the stairs. Now upstairs, this is where it gets juicy. Primary bedrooms. Spacious walk-in closet. And an ensuite that they are calling spa-inspired. And usually I roll my eyes at this phrase because it's so loosely tossed out, but look at this thing, gorgeous. You got his and her sink. You got the vanity mirror, which is pretty clutch. And you got his and her shower heads. Look at this shower. It could fit 4 or 5 people. I mean, I don't know why you would need that many people, but you can. Now we head downstairs to the basement. This is where investors and savvy buyers are doing the math in their heads right now. Separate entry, check. Large rec room, check. Additional living space, check. And not to mention wine cellar, check. In the wine cellar in Langley in 2026? Come on now. Now, I do have to be transparent with you. In the listing notes, this basement suite is not authorized. So that's a conversation you would have to have with the city about bringing up the code. but the bare bones are here. The space is here. Separate entry is there. For the right buyer, this is a mortgage helper waiting to happen. And then you come out to the backyard and remember why people are falling in love with properties like this. You got a private backyard, sunny exposure. Of course, today is a little bit of a foggy, rainy day, but you get the point. You got a pergola, a built-in stone barbecue. This isn't a backyard. This is a lifestyle. This is a Sunday afternoon in the summer with your family, your friends, some food on that 48-inch Fulgur Milano stove. Yeah, I'm gonna keep bringing up that stove because frankly, it deserves it.
Oh, such a beautiful home. So there you have it. That was a tour of this lovely home here in Cedar Ridge. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part about this house? And if you'd like to see this in person, give me a shout. As always, like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. We're here in Langley, BC. We're here in Langley, BC, and we're here at a beautiful, stunning listing. 1.7 million for an 8-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 8-bedroom, 4-bath. Fuck. Hey, how's it going? So there you have it, folks. Hope you loved and enjoyed this home tour. Shit. Oh. So there you have it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this lovely, beautiful home here in Cedar Ridge. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part about this home? And as always, like and subscribe for more comment. Fucking shit, I was there.